ordered this from Amazon, Space 8. It's coming with 20 spice jars and 2 different labels included, and it's a pull-out space rack. I'm going to install it soon, but before installation I want to show it to you. This is the space rack. See, after the installation it's going to be this way. It's looking something very functional. Those are the jars we're going to use. It's coming again, 20 jars. How do you like it? It stays here and it is very sportive. And 5 jars for the each rack. And I really love labels. Look at the labels. It's coming with 2 different labels. Those are the, if you want to put them on front, like here, which is, I am not going to use them. Here there is everything with alphabetical order. And those are the round one, which I will going to use here, top of the lid. So I could able to see, when I pull the rack, I could able to see which spice in which jar. It will be a lot easier than this one. This one we can able to use it if I put those jar inside the drawer, or if I decide to keep it straight, maybe that time. But I'm going to keep it this way. It's also coming with regular pan and with the, what is it? Those are here extra empty one. So we could able to chalk pan. We need coming also with this one. They think everything. Let me open the jars here like that. 1 second. Let me just open it. It is not easy to take a video with one hand. Okay. Why I didn't open this before? Okay. It's almost done. Okay. See? I can fill with everything. Like I have a big, for example, this is from paprika. Or I have a big size chili pepper. There is 6 place. We have to put the small screws. As you can see, this will be a lot easier with drill. It's out of battery, and I didn't have patience to wait for it. So thank God, the screws, as you see, they are very sharp and small. With the, at least I could able to open very easy hole with the screwdriver. So I have nice 6 holes to install right now. Let's start the installation.